Just in time for summer, I found several outfits with linen blends, cotton, and one of my favorites, the skirt, to help keep you cool and to beat the heat. And it's all from Amazon. Hi, if you're new here, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. I have a few outfit finds and accessories for some summer fun. Everything I show you is listed and linked in the description box below the video and in the first comment. Please check either of those places for all of the items. For look number one, I went with linen blends and cotton and went for a cooler, looser fit with this white shirt and linen blend pants. The pants are a palazzo style and have an elastic waist in what they call the paper bag style. They come in 18 colors. I have them in the color apricot, but they're more of a taupe beige color. I'm 5'3", but I have long legs for my height. I can wear these with heels or flats. Mine are size small. There are 2 front pockets. They're very comfortable. The shirt I'm wearing is 100% cotton. It comes in 22 colors. There are 2 options for the white shirt. The one I'm wearing is more of an opaque called thick white, even though I'm wearing a cami underneath it. And there's also a more sheer white version called sheer white. The smallest size they have of the shirt is a small, which is what I have, but it fits more like a size 6, a little big on me. So I wore it first loose, and then I tied it at the waist. I pulled in this tote bag, which is great for summer. It's large enough to fit long items. I put 2 portfolios in it. I also brought it with me so you can see how large it is. I mean, it takes up the whole video. And it does have the zippered top, which I just really love having that zippered top. I like for things in my tote bag to be secure. I don't like tote bags or purses that are open and don't have a closure. An outfit like this will keep you cool all summer. Next, I switched out the tote bag for a straw purse that's a medium size. Now this one has a drawstring closure, so it's also not open at the top. It's a really cute bag for the summer or for vacations. By the way, pay no attention to my shoes in this video. I have a narrow width, and really, I can't buy shoes from Amazon. They won't fit me. If I bought them, I'd have to model them and then just send them back. All the shoes you see are mine that I've had for a while. On to look number 2. I swapped out the white shirt for the same shirt in pink just to see how the whole outfit looks when I choose a different color. I let the cami show a bit more by unbuttoning the top button. And another thing I really like about these pants is that you can't see through them. They're opaque, so you can feel confident wearing them. Check the links I provided to see all of the other colors the shirt and the pants come in. I'm sure you'll find a color you love. For look number 3, I kept the same pink cotton shirt and paired it with Levi's jeans. This time, I tucked the shirt into the jeans. These Levi's have a bit of stretch and a bootcut leg. Brown chunky sandals and a brown belt complete the outfit. I'm also wearing a gold tone paperclip coin necklace, also from Amazon. Look number 4 is this adorable Swiss dot top that I'm wearing now. It has this cute flutter sleeve and a V-neck. I'm wearing size extra small. It comes in 20 colors and 6 sizes. Now I have it in the color blue. The fabric is really soft and it's great for a hot day. First, I wore it loose with the Levi's, and then I tucked it in fully, not just a front tuck, but you can do that too. I pulled the tucking out a bit for a looser fit. Look number 5 is the same blue Swiss dot top, but with white jeans. I wore it loose and not tucked in only because my white jeans are a little big on me right now. Now this blue top looks great paired with white. Now, the sun came out while filming this look, so it looks a little bit washed out and a little too bright, but you can see the color of the top here as I'm wearing it. It's just really cute. The Swiss dot pattern is adorable. You can see it on this side of your screen. Okay, so I'm not going to stand up because I'm not in full screen here, but I am really happy with this piece. Now we get into one of my favorite summer pieces, the skirt. I've wanted to check out this particular skirt for a while. Look number 6 is a solid navy blue skirt paired with a white sleeveless top. The skirt has 2 front pockets and 2 back patch pockets. The shorts underneath for the navy blue skirt are also navy. I have to bend down to clean up after my puppy several times a day. I prefer a skirt look to shorts on me, and the skirt gives me the benefit of both a skirt and shorts. These are pull-on and very comfortable. For look number 7, the skirt I chose is the print called Colorful Flowers. I chose this one because I have tops in several of the colors, including green, but the skirt also has black, navy, pink, purple, and white. Now the shorts on these are black, but the color doesn't show through the white. This skirt comes in several cute light tone prints. Some people reviewing those light tone prints said the black shorts showed through the lighter prints, but other people said the same print was opaque and the shorts couldn't be seen through it. So you have to check it out. I have both of these skirts in size small, which Amazon recommended to me right below the sizing drop-down list. I wondered if extra small would have been better for me, but I ordered the size small, and you know what? They were right. The small size was the right size for me. If you look at the reviews for this skirt, especially those with photos, you'll see women of all sizes wearing these skirts and saying they love how they fit. Those are my 7 looks for a cool summer from Amazon. I'm loving all of these pieces. They're comfortable and affordable. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share the video link with a friend. Then leave me a comment about what your favorite piece was in this lookbook collection. Check out one of my other videos by tapping its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.